Turn your leftover yarn into this cute crochet pencil bookmark. It's easy to make, practical, and perfect for back to school. You'll need 3 colors of cotton yarn and a 2.50mm crochet hook. We'll start with the darkest color and make the pencil tip first, and chain 2. Work 2 single crochets into the second chain from the hook. Chain 1 and turn your work. Work 1 single crochet into the first stitch. Then 2 single crochets into the second stitch. While completing the second single crochet, change to your second color. Chain 1 and turn. Work 1 single crochet into each of the first 2 stitches. In the last stitch, work 2 single crochets. You should now have 4 single crochets. You can cut the dark yarn here. Chain 1 and turn. Starting in the first stitch, work 1 single crochet in each stitch across. In the last stitch, work 2 single crochets. You should have 5 single crochets. Chain 1 and turn. From here, repeat the same increase on every row. Work 1 single crochet in each stitch across. Then work 2 single crochets into the last stitch. This increases the stitch count by 1 on each row. You should now have 6 single crochets. Chain 1 and turn. Work 1 single crochet in each stitch across. Then work 2 single crochets into the last stitch. You should now have 7 single crochets. Chain 1 and turn. Keep repeating the same increase with the light color until you have 10 single crochets across. I worked 2 rows in dark gray, followed by 7 rows in light cream. The last row has 10 single crochets. While completing the 10th single crochet, change to your third color. Chain 1 and turn. We're finished with the light color, so you can cut that yarn now. Now work 1 single crochet into each of the 10 stitches. Do not increase. You should still have 10 single crochets. Chain 1 and turn. Starting in the first stitch, work 10 single crochets across. Do not increase. Chain 1 and turn. Repeat the same row, working 10 single crochets across. Keep working 10 single crochets in each row with no increases until your bookmark reaches the length you want. I've worked mine to the length I want. At the end of the last row, chain 1, Cut the yarn and weave in the tail on the back of your work. And that completes the Crochet Pencil Bookmark. The light cream section measures 3 centimeters. The powder pink section is about 18 centimeters long, and the bookmark is 4 centimeters wide. Here's how it looks inside a book. I also made another one in a different color. This size works well for most novels and storybooks. That's everything for this tutorial. I hope you found it helpful. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please like the video and subscribe for more crochet projects. I'll see you in the next one.